Hey everyone, Jake with JL Services. We're in Itasca, Illinois today doing a roof to curb appeal. That's literally everything on a customer's property that could get cleaned will be getting cleaned. So we're doing a roof cleaning, house washing, gutter cleaning, gutter brightening, deck cleaning, enclosed deck cleaning, and some concrete cleaning. So we got a lot of cleaning ahead of us. But just wanted to show you why it's super important to keep your roof clean, not only aesthetically, but there's a tremendous amount of environmental buildup that builds up on roofs over the duration of its lifespan, and this buildup prematurely decomposes or prematurely wears out the roof. So what I'm going to show you right now is our rinsing process. There's a treatment on this already. You can kind of see the foam that's here. So just take a look as to how dirty roofs do get over the duration of its lifespan, and that's why it's super important to clean it so it doesn't prematurely wear out. So pay attention. The brown stuff that you're going to see is actually the environmental buildup coming off the roof. So take a look at this.
Well,